Alright, me have an idea, babe. You can make positive days them shall go there and then you get somebody feeling rest of days them.
Alright, me I gotta talk to her about it. But me I gotta tell you what me concerned about. Me and you need to spend some time together. The two of we are working, we have no time to spend with each other.
That's true, babe. But you know how catering stay. A whole lot of food because of Christmas time and you know we just at work cause it never always stay. So at Christmas have come, I'm happy to get the gift.
Karim, your schedule get busy months ago. Now it a get worse. I'm not saying me no want to give them, but we need to spend some time with each other.
Alright, now go plan a day.
Karim, no. I don't want you just plan a day. We want to have at least 2 days out of the week for ourselves. And we want to be consistent.
You know you're right, babe. All work and no play make Jack a dull boy.
Yeah. And it will make Jill game bun too. A joke, Eric.
Oh, cause the uncle bun we're talking about are the one will come deliver. No bun.
I get your attention now. But seriously, babe, we need some alone time.
Yeah, babes, you know, you're right. And we're going to like set out some time and agree what we can work on. But babes, the reason why I'm so sad, you know, because more want treat you, know, you're my queen, you know. More want to bring you some nice hotel, you know, some big nice settings, you know. And we just a palav, so I just put on your nice two-piece, I just a mark up on the white sand.
I'm gonna just go so in
Yeah.
front of you. Man, I gonna look for me and can't get me.
What you mean?
Like, I belong to him.
Yeah.
I'm a two.
I'm here to say a favorite woman. We have a whole heap of variety to pick from. Like you have sandals, you have grand buyer.
This look nice.
This the rose babes. And look on the price them. Okay, yeah, the automatic.
We feel excited. We need to save up and we can get for go. Find out the price for one of them.
Alright, watch your white
excited.
sun. Watch your white sun. I'm ready. And now look on the price them. Moon Palace. And
Yeah, see. Bubbles?
You alone?
No.
Alright. Meet me at the house. We'll have an assignment.
Bubbles.
Just tell him, said, you have a dance class.
Alright.
Alright. See you in a few.
yeah, dance assignment for going alright.
I'm serious though. I'm serious about it. But I have find some time for myself and take a break after them breaking them. I go link up with Bubbles now.
Alright, stay safe.
When I bought you my get ready.
Tony Ann.
May I come, Bubbles?